Okay, you're in. Now let's lock in together. Inhale through your nose for 2 seconds. Then exhale slowly. Let the shock pass. You're not fighting the cold, you're letting it sharpen you. The first 30 seconds, this is where most people give up, but not you. You've trained for this. So focus on your breath. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Every second you stay in, you're choosing strength over comfort. Now you're at the 30-second mark. You don't need to distract yourself. Be right here. This is discomfort. It's information, not danger. You're in control. Inhale deep. Hold for 2 seconds. Then exhale slow. You're already halfway to a stronger nervous system. That's 1 minute down. Your skin may be screaming, but your mind is still. Breathe. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Cold is the stimulus. You are the response. Every second in here is training your discipline, your focus, your recovery. This is how you build mental resilience. So stay present. Don't think about the time. Think about who you're becoming. You're not escaping the cold, you're mastering it. All right, you reached the final minute, and this is where the magic happens. Inhale strength. Exhale weakness. Let go of the need to get out. You've already made it further than most ever will. Feel your body adapt. Your mind settles. Your breath slows. You've proven you don't need easy. You need intention, so hold this power. Now, when you're ready, take a deep breath and fully submerge your head. Yes, dunk it. This full body plunge triggers a reset in your vagus nerve, instantly calming your mind and boosting resilience. Come back up and breathe. You're a different person already. All right, you did it. That's 3 minutes, not just in cold, but in control. Now step out, reset, and carry this energy into the rest of your day. To continue your transformation, go check out this video post next where I break down the science-backed benefits of the cold plunge for beginners.